Hi everyone, this is Tarot Reader Mirel here, and welcome to my YouTube channel. For all the lovely people who chose card number 1, 2, and 3, let's start off with card number 1, guys. So let's see what you guys got. Are you ready? For those who chose card number, so this is your card. And what does the card say? The card is talking about being positive. So the message for you this week, guys, is to remain optimistic. And all of you guys have read. So I was talking about the law of attraction, right? So all you guys know that your thoughts create your reality. So for this week, I urge you to focus on only those thoughts that you want in your life. Focus on what you want right now. Do not waste your time and energy on things where you complain, where it drains your energy, it drags you down. Just for this week, focus on what you want. Pay attention to the language, the words you speak to others. Make sure is understand that whatever you are thinking and speaking, the angels, the universe is listening to every word that you say, every thought that you think. So pay attention and know that everything is getting recorded right in throughout the universe, whatever you say and speak. So be mindful this week of what you think and what you speak, and stay focused on what you want. Okay, so good luck to you guys. I hope things work out the way you want, and be optimistic. So that was my message for all of you lovely people who chose card number 1. Let me know in the comment section if this card resonated with you. Okay, I would love to read your comments. On to those who chose card number 2. So all you wonderful people who chose card number 2, your message is, this is your message, this is your card. If you can see here, it's talking about simplifying your life. Somewhere I feel for those of you who chose this card number 2, I feel that you're involved in too many activities right now. You're caught up in too many things. Okay, like your mind is in various places at one time. Like you're supposed to do so many tasks and activities. All right, that you are involved in so many activities. Okay, but the thing is that you are getting too drained out. Like, your intention is to help everybody, but in the process you are forgetting to take care of your own self. Okay, so my advice, my tips, my remedies for those who chose card number 2 is, do what you have to do. Rethink some of the activities. Don't take up everything, so many things at one time. Rethink what you need to do right now. And also don't forget to take care of your own self, because if you don't take care of your own self, you won't be able to produce quality results for other people. You won't be able to help anyone if your own health is affected, if you yourself is like low on energy. So I would suggest my tips and remedies for those who chose card number 2 is, do look into yourself, make yourself a priority, take care of yourself, includes your hobbies. Okay, and also one more tip and remedy is, detach yourself from any drama right now in your life, because all this is creating chaos and confusion. So detach from any kind of drama, release negative friendships, guys, detach from the drama, and do take good care of yourselves. Okay, so a healthy body and mind produces positive results in life. So this is all for those of you, the lovely people who chose card number 2. You who chose card number 2, I hope the card resonated with you, it helped you. Do post in the comment section here and let me know. I read each and every comment, so I would like to know what you have to say about those who chose card number 2. All right, now let's move on to those lovely people who chose card number 3. Okay, and card number 3 for you is talking about a sign from heaven. Okay, so what the card seems to be reassuring you that a loved one from heaven is saying hi to you, is waving to you. So recently you may have lost a loved one. Okay, it could be a parent, it could be a sibling, aunt, uncle, your best friend. It seems like the person is still connected with you and wants to give you a message that they are still with you and want to say hi to you. For all of you who chose card number 3, if you lost a loved one lately, let me know in the comment section below if this resonates with you. For all those who chose card number 3, I would like to say that you're still grieving the loss of a loved one. Okay, and this is natural to go through this phase. If you're feeling that you still miss the person who's not around, it's absolutely okay and normal and natural to miss your loved one. and remedies for those who chose card number 3 is that you will mostly see your loved ones in coming in your dreams, okay, repeatedly coming in your dreams, giving you a message. It could be any relative, any family member who has passed away. So do not think it's your imagination, it's actually true. The loved one is connected with you and wants to give you a message, okay. You might also repeatedly hear this deceased person's name over and over, repeatedly, coming to you. Again, that's a sign that this person, the soul, is next to you, okay. So the lovely people who chose card number 3, okay, the tips and remedies for you is something very simple. Is grieve the loss of a loved one. That will help you heal, okay. And also your angels are next to you. All right, so express to them what you feel. It's safe for you to express to your angels what you feel. And your loved ones are always around you, so speak to them and tell them what you feel in your heart. They're listening to you. All right, so may their soul rest in peace, and I hope that you feel comforted after listening to this message, okay. So on that note, we complete card number 3, guys. I would love to hear your comments in the comment section. Please note that all these messages are general messages. If you want a personal reading, specific reading, then please take a private session with me. You can contact me on Instagram, on Facebook, okay, and my WhatsApp number is given. On that note, we end today's weekly reading. I hope the messages were helpful to you. I will definitely read all the comments and see what you lovely people have to say. Till then, take care, be optimistic, be safe. Have a great day, guys. This is Tarot Reader Mirel here. Namaste and goodbye. See you.